Good evening, students. Uh, Today I am going to teach you the first unit, diversity of living organism, and for including four chapter. The living world is a first chapter. Okay. So uh, before we are starting, we have to know about the father of zoology, father of botany, father of biology. Okay. The father of zoology is Aristotle, father of botany is Theophrastus, and father of biology is Aristotle. Okay. The living word. What is living word? In whole world there are some many things are living and so many things are non-living. So living organisms have specific properties. Okay. Living organisms have definite shape and size which may change within a narrow range. You saw a dog, you saw a cat, you saw a fish, you saw a human beings. Every organism have a different body shape. हम सबकी अपनी अलग अलग एक शेप साइज होती है. ओके. ड्यू टू दिस प्रॉपर्टी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज नोन एज मॉर्फस. Because of this property, those organisms have a definite shape and size that is known as morphous kind of organism, and the non-living which cannot change their shape and size, that is known as amorphous. Okay. And living organism differentiation of a body into small units and subunits which are arranged in an orderly manner. You are already know about the cell. Okay. Cell is made up of tissue cell. Okay. And tissue is made up of group of cells. After tissue form organ system and all. Okay. And next point, due to presence of an organism, living being is called organism. Okay. So what is living? हम living किसे कहेंगे? क्या living things है? The organism has specifically distinguished by capacity to grow, metabolize, respond, adopt and reproduce, etc. Those organisms have the capacity to reproduce, respire, metabolize, respond, produce, etc. They have a living capacity. Means this kind of organism, those perform these kind of activity is known as living organism. Okay. So a very important living and non-living connective link. The living and non-living connecting link is virus. Okay. So next topic is types of microorganisms. There are 5 type of microorganisms. You already know that bacteria, protozoans, virus, algae, fungi. According to these characteristic features, they are divided in so many kinds. Okay. So in between algae and fungi, there is connecting link, that is lichen. Lichen is a connective link between algae and fungi. So next topic, that is level of organisms. Level of organism, that means that is the hierarchy of the organism. Means a small atom together form molecule. Okay. And group of molecules form cells. A cell form tissue, means there are small cells together form tissues, and group of tissues form organ. Okay. An organ, like you know about the digestive system having liver, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, they all organs together form an organ system, that is digestive system. Okay. And these all, suppose that is digestive system have present in an organism, and the organism form. Okay. And the single organism have a different species, and the group of species develop population. Okay. What is population? A group of species, similar kind of species is form population, and group of population further form community. Group of population is further form community, and the whole community exists in an ecosystem, and the ecosystem have a large biosphere where abiotic and biotic component live together. Okay.